harder I try to stop thinking about you, the easier you come. The easier everything comes to my mind. Tell me, what should I do? What should I do to stop loving you? Tell me, because I wanna know. I wanna know how is to stop loving you. Tell me, please. Please. Please.
Mabuti naman at gising ka na. How are you feeling?
I'm okay, Ma. Just a bit dizzy. What happened?
Ang mabuti pa, mag-almusal ka na muna at nang magkalaman yung tiyan mo.
Thank you, Ma.
You passed out dahil sa sobrang kalasingan. Maria brought you home. Alam mo ba, I was so worried nung nakita kita. You look like almost dead.
I'm sorry, Ma.
Hindi nyo kasi alam kung anong nararamdaman naming mga ina. Kapag nakita namin ang mga anak namin na walang malay, pasa-pasa, o lasing. Hindi nyo alam kung anong klaseng kaba yung nararamdaman namin, anong klaseng sakit yung nararamdaman namin. Nakipagsuntukan ka, naglasing ka, nag-eskandalo ka sa bahay ni na Armani. Ano bang ginagawa mo sa buhay mo, ha? Sinisira mo ba ang sarili mo nang dahil sa isang babae? Gabriel, kung ayaw niya sa'yo, let her be. Move on. That's life.
I'm sorry, Ma. But I can't. Not until I find my answers. I know that Destiny's hiding something from me. She's hiding her own self. She's hiding her own feelings. I know. I'm sorry, Ma, pero intindihin mo ako. It's not easy.
Bahala ka. Basta ipangako mo lang sa akin na hindi na mangyayari. Yung nangyari sa'yo nung naghiwalay kayo ni Alessandra. At ipangako mo rin sa akin that I will have my son back after this.